Okay, so the app opens like it always did. Pretty fast, an instant open. Then to add a report, you click that, and you can choose from a number of options. I'm gonna choose an existing photo that I already have. Go to my photo, not my photo library. I want the iSanta demo, and pick that photo. I don't have to analyze it. I can just pick it. All of the remaining information is pickable. We just click on it, and it will bring up a keyboard depending on the type. Like for the name, it comes up with a standard QWERTY keyboard, whereas for distance to target, because needs a number, it comes up with a number, so you can put whatever you want. And all of those are specialized all the way down, including range temperature, which brings up a scroll wheel because there are only 3 options for the range temperature. And all of the different things can be specified or not. And if they're not specified, then they won't show up on the report. Or if they're needed, like something like number of shots fired, then the user will be notified if they actually need it. Once you have a photo chosen, like I have here, you can click it again and say Analyze Current, and this is where the automatic recognition will come in once we've added it to the application. It's currently working as a standalone application, and we just have to go through the integration process to include it with the app. Here, to show you what we have so far with this part without the automatic recognition, if you double tap on a spot, it will put the target reticle there, and so right now you can kind of place them. If you don't like them, you can click and hold, and they start flashing like that. And if you tap on them, then they're removed. And another double tap brings you back. You will also be able to move those around and zoom in and zoom out on the target image to be able to better fine-tune where the bullet holes are and correct them or add them and do that detail. Once you've selected all of that and that's all done, you fill out the rest of the report, you can hit Export, which will then show you it will show you the information that is included in the report, all of your user input, plus the statistics in inches here or metric units if you've selected metric in the settings. And then you can even see where the points are if you wanted to. If you hit the arrow up in the corner, it'll combine all that into a CSV file, which is a nicely formatted table that will open right away in Excel and is also usable in a number of other platforms. We are also planning to include the photo if you want it or not, give the user the option. That way they can adjust for the size of the email. And when we do include the photo, we are planning to give you the option to include the points on top or not, so that you can either get the original image or an image with all of the identified holes marked on it. And then you can send it just like you would a normal email from your iPhone or iPod Touch or iPad. And that's as far as we got. We are currently making good progress towards I guess finishing off everything. Everything seems to be coming together, and now it's just hooking together the parts and building those adapters to connect all the parts together. But it's coming along well, and we're hoping to get this all buttoned up quickly.